Alright, we're going to do a quick installation of the Kolpin, I guess I pronounced that right, ratchet and grip 21540 for the Polaris XP 1000 2018. We didn't get the one with the pegs in it because everybody said it keeps flipping out, so we're going to try to modify it without the pegs. So we figured we was going to try to bore through the bottom of the hood right here. But guess what we found? Some genius at Polaris and Kolpin already had the holes lined up. So I guess we don't have to drill. So that's pretty good. So that's how we're going to do it right there. So I guess we're going to use the long bolt. Or maybe the short one. We'll find out in 1 second. So just make sure we don't over drill the hole. We're going to do 7/32 and see if this bit is a perfect size for that guy right there. That's about right. Don't want it too loose. So it looks like we don't need the long one. We'll just use the short one and 7/16 for the nut. Alright, we're just going to test the hole right quick. Get a fatter drill bit. This is too skinny. Stop. Alright. So put an extension on your drill bit so you can get up in there, unless you're going to do it by hand. I probably had to do it by hand anyways. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is drill them all the way in. I probably should get a fatter one. Don't worry about it. Stay right there. Don't over tighten it. Alright, we didn't notice until towards the end that this guy bumps slightly right there, but it's on the inside, not the outside. So what we did was just put the short screw and left the bolt off. Screw, this is the short one, and left the bolt off. So don't forget the outside one towards the headlight, short one. The other three can be the long one. So you have 3 long screws, 1 short one. Plate. Alright, they're both installed. The reason why we did the 2 forks on the outside is so that if the gun falls, it'll fall towards me, not the street or the path or the woods or whatever. Alright, lay the gun up there. Upside down.
Oh, why are you supposed to do it upside down?
Just lock them, squeeze them. Alright, squeeze this one. Alright. That's good, that's good. Lift up on the gun. Alright. Shake it around a little bit, see if it jiggles. Alright, unlock the basket. Unlock the basket on the other side, Open the basket. See if the gun falls. Let it fall. Let it go. Let it go. Shake the basket a little bit. All right.